finally after so long I'm going on a vacation with my family to Manali and I'm super excited because यहाँ पे इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी है.
Am I right?